Anthropologists and archaeologists. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Anthropologists and archaeologists study the origin, development, and behavior of humans. Work environment. Anthropologists and archaeologists are commonly employed by research institutions, government agencies, and consulting firms. Although the majority of their time is spent in offices, some work in labs or in the field. Extensive travel may be required for fieldwork. How to become one. Anthropologists and archaeologists must have a master's degree or a doctorate in the field of anthropology or archaeology. Fieldwork experience in either discipline is also beneficial. Bachelor's degree holders may find work as assistants or field workers. Salary. The median annual wage for anthropologists and archaeologists is $63,670. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of anthropologists and archaeologists is expected to grow by 5%, faster than the average for all occupations. Prospective anthropologists and archaeologists will likely face strong competition for jobs because of the small number of positions relative to applicants. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.